What is the new system that you would want to create, both for trade and aid, assuming that the US is doing what it's doing? What is everyone else going to need to do now?
Well, self-reliance is not only at the national level, but on the continental level. And there's good news coming out of Africa, like she said. Most countries have ratified the protocol on continental free trade in Africa. And that trade is beginning to grow steadily. We're able to export tariff-free into our countries. Of course, there are obstacles because our trade channels have been the colonial trade channels between us and Europe and not amongst ourselves. So one of the things we need to deal with first is how we develop the infrastructure to be able to exchange goods amongst ourselves. Already, most countries are allowing free movement of people. And so if we have free movement of goods and services across the continent, I think that it will fill a huge gap in South-South trade, and that will benefit all our countries.
And do you think that the actions of the Trump administration will accelerate Africans' determination to do this? Will it finally actually happen, the African Free Trade Area?
Definitely it will. Definitely we will learn to be more self-reliant as a continent and to trade more amongst ourselves, because there's a lot of room there for expanding trade.
You can't reset no Ghana ha. Now you say Ghana also all reset UN. Or reset Donald Trump again. Wama Donald Trump crown say, Pribini wonya sache wono na wase woye kwasi bronia omuye no. Enra wusha UN General Assembly meeting omo no mo to nyina President Mahama kasa wie no bo hu se de nsambɔ de kɔye wo mo ho nyina hu se nyansani na akasa no obi a onim de na akasa, a true leader and wakasa no enya do no bekwa oman bekwa to chalk na wadi akwa to baby a chese we be fa ho time we be because do baby na Russia for empire because of Adiana na Akufo no kwaye wo UN General Assembly meeting ase ema mo ambassador ho akra se de na wa ha brikan ni bufu ye mo keka da nkyere ni nyina ye wotenasi wo krom ha. The last time I think na Bernard Monana and no akasa UN General Assembly meeting ya afibia bibrem ya so aye ho na ye kɔ America ekoye no odwene ho awonte ase edaban na bibiman so ye be hosi abrofo no ewo ha na no akikura no obeki statement say it's like kana ya ka wono kwa faso bia ni so.
Madam President, I also want to draw particular attention to the conflict in Sudan, which this body has described as the world's largest humanitarian crisis. 12 million people have had to flee their homes. And when we speak of migration, we refer to the 12 million new Sudanese refugees, whom we as a global community should be willing to assist in much the same way that many member nations readily assisted new refugees coming out of Ukraine. Let's dispense with the euphemisms and dog whistles and speak frankly. It is not a mystery that when leaders of Western nations complain of their migration problems, they are often referring to immigrants from the global south. But many of those immigrants are climate refugees. And interestingly, the global north emits 75% more greenhouse gases than the global south. However, the effects of climate change are more severe in the global south because we lack the resources to address them effectively. And so when the desert encroaches on our villages and towns and they become unlivable, we are forced to flee. Wansan Shire, a Somali-born prophet, a Somali British poet born in Kenya to Somalian refugee parents, was London's first youth poet laureate. She writes in her poem titled Home. And it says, you have to understand that no one puts their children in a boat unless the water is safer than the land. No one bends their palms under trains beneath carriages. No one spends days and nights in the stomach of a truck feeding on newspaper unless the miles traveled mean something more than just a journey. Madam President, we cannot normalize cruelty. We cannot normalize hatred. We cannot normalize xenophobia and racism. If we're going to tell a story, let's not tell its slant. Let's tell all the truth. When we speak of migrants, we speak of Mami Ewusi Mensah Frimpong, a judge on the U.S. District Court for the Central District of California. She's the first black female judge on any of California's 4 federal district courts. She was born here in America to immigrant parents from Ghana. We speak of Peter Bosman, a medical doctor in Ghana who moved to the town of Piran in Slovenia in the 1980s and later became the first black mayor of Piran, the first black mayor in Slovenia and in the whole of Eastern Europe. We speak of T. Michael, the iconic Ghanaian Norwegian artist and designer. And of course, we speak of the late Kofi Annan, former United Nations Secretary General. Former United Nations Secretary General and Nobel Peace Prize recipient who was born in Ghana but spent his adulthood in various places in America and Europe. These are people who have brought great distinction to the countries that they decided to call home. Just as the migrants and the children of migrants before them did, I dare say these are not invaders. These are not criminals.
Who do us? Sorry, this is a serious matter. During this week, the president of Ghana and the president of Nigeria, all the world leaders went to UN, United States, for their meeting. President John Dramani Mahama stood, said, now the trend since for everybody say, this man spoke well, he spoke about, the few times when they give him, he spoke about Ghana, spoke about the world, spoke about things when they worry people. Our own president, go, Tinubu there as the Bulaba, we might be hungry, but we can control our hunger. And the most painful thing be said, he will win 2027. No. I swear to God, Tinubu have already win 2027. Whether God won't just punish Nigeria at the end time, when God talk about maybe this our Nigeria, I don't know. Now he sent invites. Invites where Agbada, not one problem. What would they face to talk about? Not one. Ha! God, I beg. Oh, I don't think just wake up now and the say, Proud man, you're not from Nigeria, you're from the US. Those things when they happen for Nigeria, not just happen for my life.
Charlie, President Mahama, the speech Okomaye ever UN General Conference ever America has been described as one of the best for the past 80 years. Let's just say, for 80 years in the African leaders, Omuko UN Assembly now, Sebi, Omunkanya Sasembia. President Mahama and a certain record bia African leader bian set theater. The speech of Komayano has been described as the best among all the African leaders Omutaba UN General Assembly. Hey Ghana, Yewazoye. Hey, never regret for voting for John Dramani Mahama. He will never let you down. You are proud leader, John Dramani Mahama. We are proud for voting for you. Sure. I will beg you or we propose chop. No pen and paper. No pen and paper. He was just reading from his head. It's removed the peer paper to say Yansan some quan and peer free it's removed. Abrofono. Amu Bobo same pop. We say, where from him? Where from this leader? Which country? Yeah, I mean, say Abrofo president, European president, countries are president. Omonim Ghana president. Omonim John Dramani Mahama free. After Bisa, where is he from? He's from Africa. Which part? Ghana. Oh, Ghana, they have a good leader like this. Ghana was a good leader. No Bisa. So offering him Africa country, ben free. No Bisa. Omonim John Dramani Mahama free. Hey Ghana, you are doing Yamye Shrai.
See. Speech na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama at the Wiasima Fane in our United Nations no. A BC that since 1945 United Nations by Wiasim. Where your world record speech, world greatest speech, just say and happen with any platform so. A BC down. Me say United Nations Amama ya hold your president no Messia no make say I thought I had PhD but where adia me hu bi da e school panel de omko wa lecture omo catch omo say Madam President UN General Secretary me pa cho de wa mo si bu mu nyoma no mo mra mo hihye eye tete de na almost 80 years nyoma na wo ho no eye at modern alchem mo reset mo system no amai so mo so say mo United Nations na mo tena wona mo hwe ne yekunkum amanfo okuma Africa ase mo hwe de ekoso e wo Gaza mo hwe de ekoso e wo yefa ne sen Sudan okan ya ka kiro mo say Ghana ya be yesiemu wo opese oba be invest wo Ghana ha bia no bra ekwan da ho owi no ka kiro mo say ekwan da ho nenso ehyehyɛ da ho nie adie bi a ye Ghana dia say ye te say good ye de ba adie bi a ye o man ne dia no ye ne be fa kese so be ba de kwan da ho ye be fa kese pa na wa fa kakere bi ubenya mfaso ba so ba be fa dodo na Ghana nya ketwa de bi nsi mo bom se mu hoa o mbeka se Kwame Nkrumah na say nipa beni ebisi tawo ye penia won mo me fa Ghana man John Dramani Mahama se mo pene ama papa wi si form se ne waka so be si form no se mo benya ne seso obiem no na atemuda o se bebi aduru no kura no sa party ni enyi free wo yen kanse NDC ni MPP ni en form ani ma John Dramani Mahama be ye ni ye mi do nyame John Dramani Mahama onye no mani pa
abusia media na comfort ya the red and white man the king of Christianity abusia sabre baby bia wo bia me de on church na me de chia abusia me ne wo baba abedi nkomu bi abusia fo Ghana fo me comfort ya menya politics comfort ya obi anim se me menya politics na so Ghana fo adia SLS John Dramani Mahama aye no Ghana fo mo me sorry demonstration tian adia ye papa SLS John Dramani Mahama aye no Ghana fo me se mo me nye demonstration entia no Ghana fo mo sole o me die me snap ni me kosuani me de be demonstration e de tie ye papa SLS John Dramani Mahama Ghana fo adia SLS John Dramani Mahama aye no o deserve say was Ghana fo nyina ye sole ne ye demonstration editia no abusua ene say sebe ye papa John Dramani Mahama meme kwafo ya meshrapo ni mikosua no be de kwabon pae de ye papa John Dramani Mahama say ahonhom nye demonstration ni ye papa John Dramani Mahama on say yes no na on cancel the 4 years no enko 8 years demonstration kase pa na mekoya ma nana no ye papa sebe ese dun katia ene Franka Mwakwata baby ye papa John Dramani Mahama waduru no sebe ye hunu se Ghana fo ye papa John Dramani Mahama wadwene Ghana fo ye kasa ho no watie yesufre menya politics o enipa ya de wasayi wanyi na ya enseni din oman bia papa eto oman mu wopese oman ni tumpon yenhwe ye papa John Dramani Mahama eko US yenhwe speech okomaye ama America president asasa sabe lobby a wade beto ha na ha ye nuanom a sabe wo mu tu kwan no ha ye nuanom ne maame no ma sabe wo mu tu kwa amonone no ye papa John Dramani Mahama o say ye watimi akochina ne naso etimi ama sesei saade ne ya cancel enti ye betra sesei ya na sesei ya akoso dia ene ne enu so ma ne be fa ne ntoma pefra ye mpanimfo ne sei na mo pa ye pesa mo ye bo oman no mo betra konwa ne so mo nya dia sabe wo man ni mu nipa bia benya mo so mfaso we you o ma wo abroche wo be wo Ghana anyina ya ri ateda atadwe ya tene de ene sei fi se wo bia pese otukwan so so asabe eye bibiti no okọ ne wonya de wonya na wo so wo ba ne chiana obi wo akwantuo ma ha woni situation nipa ne befam ye wo befam ana wo be amane wo befam no ya na ya me abrochi fo adwuma na meye minimum hawa ebinom frewa sebio aniema bia ekoso wo abrochi mem etia papa John Dramani Mahama tima koji Africa fo nyina anem emu se Africa fo yetu kwa ya kobre etia aban no enya bibi fa na se timia basa masabe aban na jetum America president jetum dia ye papa John Dramani Mahama wasasabe ya toaso emane kobi kaun menya politics na menya campaign oye de anya meba be fire fi se wo man na mu yedina obu yebu obi dua sabe wonya sika no abedane obi agi obi kuna onye sika no ababosonso konfo bi abompa yese wo man no president bi obeba bia anasusumni bi abompa yese president bi obeba bia enema be yemre na obi wo problem wa timetu anama akono no wa chena kwa cha nipa no so timi aye na nipa no so nyanfa wude na nipa no nsampa ye wo sunsumfo ye dei e wo yeman enu ti na meka kamenka eti Ghana fo momi esole na enye demonstration kese enfa me papa na enfa mo na baso wayade papa se ya na konfo ya na meka se medie sebe gay ne lesbian ba mi na mbebo odua obi enu wo pe basabasa entoko esi a ye ntenase ye be sore si ye besi ano kwan nanso ade a ye papa John Dramani Mahama aye no nya meka sei sebe mahunu sebe Africa president fo sebe ye ni bie pa enya blofo nkwa na adiri da wonti minu se ye papa John Dramani Mahama sebe wade ne wo bo Ibrahim Tuari no ana ya papa John Dramani Mahama sebe wonya akokoduro se ne nya sa na akokoduro no wo de dia ene won fa akokoduro ne nkonkode mo man no man ne fa de ntoma pamfra Ibrahim Traore ati Burkina de papa ye wo Burkina no sebe Burkina yutu nyina eyi wo mu nyina de se wo mai empuntu oba enyuma ba esanu nyuma ba ema yutu nya bi ya minisi ya papa John Dramani Mahama sebe what's a law no sebe se twa 8 years Ghana for beto abedi amount enti ye papa se dun katia General Mosquito ene sebe ye papa Frank Amoakohene yesre se mo fa niema nwu akwamu yi mo fa niema enwu akwamu yi mo ma niema nkofem cement nko iron rod nko enchanse nko ye friend say metasa sabe yedi ye mpuntu nyuma emi yeti de baby di etito no mo ma ne nkofem maye petrol mra fem maye se yetimi yesa niema we nyina o man no obi anu asabe obetumrika so sabe okokun ye pomani ye pomani nkanko Ibrahim Traore sese ni kurum ye papa John Dramani Mahama sabe demonstration mi wie ya me de me se konsuma kobompaye mi wie ya na me de me se konsum e de akobompaye de aman ka che o sabe to aso wetimi ama sabe Africa gina de hayen wetimi akokra ye afri wade a papa yesrew Ghana fo nya wumpuntu nyuma ma wumpuntu nyuma nko montiti cement ni ayon loso so enya man ko duty ne nko fem ne sabi ya kakra na ya di ya bibi ya timi fanya project ni bi papa ya to aba mama sadi ya watimi akoda adwuna Africa fo nyina ho no ene ya to aba mama mondwene ye ho na me wogidie wo nananum di mu se papa John Dramani Mahama sabi ye nua media me we ya president na aba mebo abaso metu omani mu bi metu aba enye se me ya politics me nya politics make ikasa midu baby am se yanto aba emma se bi Canada Japan ni nya bibia o mi pu obi ya no kwafo a se bi obi di sika wo yempi wo ye minister obetima fire no me nya politics sunsumni nya politics ba no kura wo ho a obi se friend abasobodi anu abono obi se be niema bi ansem fata wo so be ka che no be krema no papa John Dramani Mahama mesre kasa kire wo sei wada ma mesre wo en puntu nyuma waye no ensama wakan eni ade wakoyi Africa fo nyina eni so ade hunu eni o ma dwendwere free wo no papa adama yesre wo se de Ibrahim Tuari ayi amamra ni amane wo ni kurom ontutu ni sunsum samase en Ibrahim Tuari ukodu Burkina se nsole wo okra wo tutum ensole wo Burkina Ibrahim Tuari wo tutum eti papa yanka se nyamini wo yanka se nyami adifo ni wo papa adawroma eniyimu na wo ye no a wo fa asofofo ne wo fa mojamis fo a woni nananu akonfo ahia enya together amiye so ye mebompaye ma no papa no kwa de wo ye twa wrong beat eno dia we de papa adama mesrewo Ibrahim Tuari nananu mo mana twene nyankopon mana twene ama ni di bu ne man nananum so nananum abosum omna tu o man ni mo omna nim bone ene papa etu omu na nim nipa bi a wo wa cha boni wonti mu obeda na di acha omu wo hu no ade na wo ma na nanum akonfo akwanya eme ma wo nchen ade na wo ma na nanum akonfo akwanya ema ye ma wo nchen ye papa se du nkatia ane franka ma akwanye na nanum akonfo ye pese ye ne mu ehia ne ne mu kasa ye wotumi ye de bebo omampanyini ama omampanyini amemo no obehu ebewie peye ye wotumi ye de bebo omampanyini ho bai ye wotumi ye de bebo aban mu mpanifo ho bai mamu nyina nanum akonfo to twene sa wokoye de ye ba ye mabo abaso enti ye de na sabe afutu obi wo wa ye betima tufu tumi bi wo wase de ka wo ho adwuma na wo ye ni mu a mo adwuma na mo ye no e attack enti wo nya bambo kese eti nananum akonfo ye ready say ye papa John Dramani Mahama party bia bebe bia no se bi mpanifo no momfo mo ni hwe nananum akonfo ne ye wotumi Asante wotumi Ghana wotumi yeso ni aboso ne de cheche o makokoro Ghana ko Ibrahim Tuari ati mi amasabe aboso me wo Burkina ene ho Christopher nyo mo pad Mozambique for nyo mo pad nananum akonfo nyo mo pad wo mpe condemn fisa tribalism antokwaba enti omu nya kamom no obi afa de tumi mu o man ne dia adani e papa John Dramani Mahama winye bi na wo mo adi ma nananum akonfo ye de nananum akonfo wura aban mu a wo memo be ye data memo bia fisa no kuredie be pie wo minister ni usika MP wo ni usika wo DC wo ni usika wo regional de be wo ni usika fisa nananum akonfo ha ene tambia no shrap ni kosua be bompaye ye bompaye ni ye kese obi di sika nananum ntua ne ka o obi yese nananum ntua mo ka o enunti se ye magana yesu ani nananum akonfo ura ben mu se de sofofo na ben president na Ghana be ye de papa na mpuntu obebu omayimu na fa ahudie so bebu omayimu etie papa John Dramani Mahama ene me baya me message me dey ma we enka General Mosquito na enka ye papa Frank Amoakoyne enka this party say de matimaka asofofo abom no monka na nanum akonfo mum na mama ye memo na do se mu be ye nya bema we ya MP we ya DC we nya we ya e was say de sharp no kosua show sem no sai we so kwaji sika wa bem na so de besi hospital o de be market o de be ye we na wudi a na nananum no wadi anka memo na de ka memo na fe abusua nananum akonfo ye ni abre enna mani abra me se Ghana for me nya demonstration enti SLC John Dramani Mahama nyina no sabe na dwuma awokoye ne kasa okakaye ame hu se wadwena Africa fo nyina ho dia na wo se ye bona baso ne de empire me shrap ni mikosu yi me de kobbo empire de mano na mama de se de ne se o ma ye meno ne na memu onwie peye wo ma ye meno ne na memu ontumpo ne hu ne se sabe na nanum akonfo wo mo de yesu oni abosom de wono omo nama wuntimi ntwatoro ebasa omai no ebefa ne ntoma pefra baba chia Ghana fo nyina chia hwefo ni metefo nya minisa ye good message ema Ghana ni ba bia opese no kure ani mputo ko o ma konkro Ghana mu no opepese na nanum akonfo so benya akonya akọ parliament ni yeso ye de empaibo eni etumi e de atasa bi wo mampanyin ni mpanifo achi na obi bokro no wo ma na nanum so apa na hontuma ama kolot etuatwa minisa mrepem ye besa hia media na kofo ya the ready what the king of Christianity minisa mrepem ye besa hia pia o problem bi efo abrabo odwuma semu osika semu onkrata semu ko ade enkrata semu tumuda sika semu so tumuda eya wale problem atumda ya ready na chese bubu yanka kora fa number ne go screen ase na frame nana me peso ye bisa mami nana me kura bu nkwasea nana me ntibi kurunka nana me ntibi yirenka nana me yire bu nkwasea nana obinya sika nye project bi mami nana wa diska no nana sabi wada wuruma minya wade nana sabi wada ma sika ntimi ntome nsem me sebra ma ha ye ntwemra wa na be command sika nyam na me command sika wa na be command scan nkrata so a ono ye be ma moti akashimoni wa ye ho process dadada wo se ba no atwen ne ma ye be ma moti na koyi abeto ani na asa aka wa de ne ne kire ha there be a friend abɛhyɛ process ase a frɛ ya ne anya sunsum adwuma ntachiri sɛ ya wodi wurama enema be kontem de ayede e de ama e brada ne kuada ifiada ne kwasiada na mtrase yesunsunuma number ne 0241 185804 0241 185804 0557 590395 idina that so you still confer the red and white powder the kingdom Christianity for number ne frame ni se me pay be se share appear
call me
I'm picking you
I'm picking you for number ne friend ogen found in your there nana akani na want to find the amount so please kindly add our country code +233 and consult confer red and white powers. He's a spiritualist helping people in terms you are in diaspora and everywhere. Kindly contact him on the number on your screen and your life will never be the same. If you are facing documents issue, family cares, family covenant, everything that you are passing through and it seems things are not working for you, just call him and he will help you and your life will never be the same.